Hey guys, my name's Jose, and this is another episode of Charts and More Charts. In this series, I will look at charts of companies I want to keep an eye out through the next few days. Today is Sunday, January 27th, 2019, and we will look at weekly charts. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to get info on new episodes and other videos. So let's begin. So the first chart we're going to look at is going to be the S&P 500. We're looking at the ES futures, and currently it looks like a breakout or a breakdown. The only thing we should keep an eye out, I'm keeping an eye out for, is the current resistance around 2,675. Right now it's just, if we look at the last 2 weeks, they keep seeing like they're trying to break out, but we still have not gotten a confirmation. So for the S&P 500, I'm really waiting for that 2,675 breakout. Next, let's take a look at crude oil futures. So crude oil futures, right now we have around a strong resistance at around 54.5 $55, somewhere around there. You can see the charts better on the screen. So we can see last week we've hit our head in it, we dropped back down, and today we're around that area as well. Next, we're going to take a look at Amazon. Amazon currently, again, looks pretty much like the S&P 500. We're about to break out. It's either breakout or a breakdown for Amazon. I would like to see a close over $1,720 for a breakout, or if not a breakdown. Just keep a note, earnings are this week, January 31st, our Amazon earnings. And I think a lot of companies, a lot of traders are just waiting for earnings this week. Next, we have Microsoft. Microsoft has been a beast throughout this whole drop. It's had a strong uptrend since December 24th. We can see this nice uptrend going up here. Current resistance is around 110, 111, and Microsoft right now is at 107. So we want to see if this uptrend is continuing. Next, we have Apple. Apple, strong support at around 140, 141, which we're bottomed out. And right now, we can see that I'm waiting for a close over the 9 moving average on the weekly schedule, which is about 159, 160. So for me right now, I want to see Apple close over 160 before going in a nice strong long position. Next, we have Nvidia. Nvidia looks strong right now. We have it above the 9 moving average on the weekly, and we have a strong candle last week, a nice hammer. Current resistance, I want to say I can see, is about 175. We're currently at 160, so another close around 160. We want to see if this is going to keep going higher. Next, we have Exxon. Exxon, we have a strong resistance around $73. Right now it's either a breakout or a breakdown, because Exxon is right at those levels of 73. So we're just trying to see if we have a close above it or a close below it. Still, that 9 moving average is also around that resistance points at 73, which is gonna prove more. It's going to show a stronger resistance. And the final stock we're going to take a look at is Adobe. Adobe, very similar charts to the S&P 500 and Amazon. It's currently in that same trend with a breakout or breakdown. A close over 250 would be a good indication of a breakout. Right now it's around 245. If you look at the charts, you can see perfectly how it's struggling right now to decide if it's going to be a breakout or a breakdown. So those are the current stocks I am looking at for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I'm curious to know what stocks you guys are looking at, so don't forget to post them on the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos and other content. Have a good night and good luck tomorrow.